What's up, everybody? I'm your host, Richard Prophet, the last dragon. This is the apex predator. And things are really beginning to get out of hand, man. I'm in an undisclosed location in Miami, and I'm about to walk into a Rolex AD, and we'll see how that goes. I want to show you something. I just passed by it and I couldn't believe it. So I said, you know what? Let me walk in. Let me show you what I mean. Cheers, family. What's up, family? Richard Prophet, the last dragon. So we just come out of the Rolex store, but I mean, it's getting kind of crazy. I'm really starting to feel sorry for people. Not only can you not get a watch if you're not connected, but now apparently you can't even get in the store. They are making people wait online to get in the Rolex store. That the last dragon just came out of. It's crazy, man. It's getting crazy. Damn, I should have filmed it, but I just came out of the Tiffany store, and the guy said, hey, how can I help you? And I said, can you send me a Tiffany dial Patek watch? And he was like, oh, no, we don't have that here. I wish. And I said, yeah, so, well, and I said, you sure? You sure you don't have anything in the back? And he said, no, we don't get that here. Only the New York store and Beverly Hills location gets it. So there you go. Now you know. I didn't even know that. But only New York and Beverly Hills Tiffany stores gets the the Patek Tiffany dial. We got another magazine from Rolex. So not only if you're not connected, they're going to tell you, you got to get on the wait list for a watch. But now you got to get in the wait list to get in the store. Crazy. All the economists on YouTube are screaming recession, recession, recession. But I guess nobody told the people of Miami. Every place has a line to get in. There's a line to get in every place here. Look, there's a line to get in every place.
Okay, thanks. Come on over here.
I know it's recession, 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 but there's nobody told the people down here. So now, more than ever before, now you can't get a watch. You can't even get in the store. You got to get online to get in the store. To me, really now, more than ever, it seems like Rolex is becoming a who do you know brand, you know? Who do you know? What's your relationships? Who walked you in here? You know, you can't, it's becoming, and I think they're doing it on purpose, you know, it's becoming a brand where you just can't walk in off the street and buy a watch. You just can't. Lucky for me, I've always loved Rolex, so I built up a relationship with ADs. Like all, you know, New York, Florida, all across New York, all across Florida. So, you know, I have a good relationship with a few ADs, but I feel sorry for the guys just starting out, just trying to get a watch. Especially if it's a popular piece. You can forget it, man. You can forget it. So yeah, you know, maybe it's by design. It's not like they don't have the supply. Maybe it's by design. They want it to be like that higher echelon where if you have one on your wrist, you're plugged in and you're doing fantastic. Maybe they're just trying to weed out, you know, the common man. The guy that's just trying to buy a $10,000 watch on his credit card and pay it over like 30 years, you know, just to have a good watch. Maybe they're trying to just turn it into strictly for rich guys. Who knows, man? Who knows? Let me give you some random shots of out here. at this guy here. He's got on the Starbucks. Check it out. He's got a Starbucks on. And the dragon got on the apex predator. Backed by popular demand. That's right, you asked for it, so here it is. The apex predator. You know what? Let's see if we can get some watch footage out here, some Rolex footage out here in the wild. Milk house. Who's that? Up on the roof. Who is that? Who is that on the roof?
Welcome back. It's your host, Richard Prophet. Apex Predator, Last Dragon. I'm at my Lake Mayaka Park with my buddy Jen, and we're just like, look at the beautifulness of the lake, the birds, the sun, and the sky. Very nice, very nice.
Cheers, family.